Hey there, finance enthusiasts. If you're diving into the world of investing with Robinhood, one of the first things you'll need to do is link your bank account. It's a straightforward process that lets you deposit funds, withdraw money, and manage your investments seamlessly. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to add your bank account to Robinhood, so you can get started quickly and confidently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Robinhood app installed on your phone. If you don't have an account yet, download the app and sign up. It's free and easy. Once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the icon that looks like a person or your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap on that to access your account settings. Next, scroll down in your account settings until you find the Banking or Transfers section. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it, and you'll see an option to add a bank account. Go ahead and select that. Robinhood will prompt you to enter your bank details. Don't worry, it's secure. Just provide your bank's routing number and your account number. Make sure you double-check these to avoid any errors. After you submit your information, Robinhood might ask you to verify your bank account. This usually involves a small test deposit, like a few cents, which you'll confirm from your bank's app or website. Once verified, your bank account will be linked and ready to use. This step helps keep everything safe and prevents unauthorized access. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, check that your bank supports instant transfers or PLAD integration, which Robinhood uses. Most major banks do, but it's good to confirm. And there you have it. Your bank account is now connected to Robinhood. You can start funding your investments right away. Remember, always keep an eye on your account for security reasons. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy investing!